Good day, learners. Here's another video lesson for reading and writing skills course. We're still on 8 patterns of development in writing. In lesson 1, we have had narration. In this video lesson, lesson 2, you will learn another way of developing your paragraph through giving description. People love to read and listen to story, and the use of appropriate transitional devices in telling stories are noteworthy. Likewise, you have previously learned that in writing a narrative, the plot gives direction in making the story. However, it is not only the plot that will help you to develop your writing skills. The use of description is also important to help you create a vivid picture of what you are trying to express through written text. On a separate sheet of paper, complete the table by supplying words or phrases that best describe the given subjects. Use any of your senses to provide appropriate descriptions. Then answer the questions that follow. A sample of subject: beauty queen. For sight, long-legged, beautiful. For hearing, soft voice. For smelling, heavenly scent. And then I let taste blank there. For touch, silky skin. It's your turn for the word concert, beachside, and adobo. Answer the following questions. What do you call the words that are used to provide a striking effect on the senses of the reader? How do these words help create a vivid description of the given words? And what kind of paragraph can you develop using the given details? According to Diagbill and others, in 2016, the use of description plays an important role to elucidate the nature of people, places, and things. A series of detailed observation about the subject can help you create a good descriptive paragraph. This involves the use of adjectives and adverbs in the paragraph. The kind of words we use to describe how your subject looks, sounds, feels, smells, or even tastes are called sensory languages. It also concerns how you will arrange the details to provide an image of the scene, the person, or the object you are trying to describe in your text. There are two types of description. First is objective description, where the writer presents impartial and actual picture of the subject without biases and excluding personal impression of the subject, just like when you give your description of an experiment in class. Second is subjective description, where the writer gives personal impression of what is observed. This is often used in making fiction stories. For instance, when you are asked to write about a place you visit during summer vacation, you tend to give your personal judgment of how you experience the place. Let's look at this activity. Read the paragraphs below. Tell whether the description is subjective description or objective. Let's have number 1.
Sampaloc Lake is an inactive volcanic maar on the island of Luzon, the Philippines. It is the largest of the 7 lakes of San Pablo, Laguna. Nearly half of the lake's depth has a shallow depression at the bottom, indicating its volcanic origin. It is approximately 104 hectares and 3.5-kilometer boardwalk. The lake is behind San Pablo city capital and at the foot of the Donaleonilla Park.
You may pause the video to reread and comprehend. Let's have number 2.
Sampaloc Lake is one of the best tourist spots in San Pablo. It is where you can bring your friends and loved ones for picnic and bonding. Most of San Pablonos jog around the lake and do ride bicycles not only to have morning good exercise but also have fresh air. You can witness the beauty of nature for it is surrounded with mountains.
I hope you did it correctly. Here are your activities for this lesson. First, choose the best word or group of words that will complete the statements. Write your answers in a separate sheet. Pause the video if necessary to read or to copy and answer. I also expect you to develop a composition using description as pattern of paragraph development. Make a vivid picture of your dream house, which you would like to own in the future. Use at least 10 descriptive words. Please send your answer sheets online via email or FB Messenger with the title or subject format following that example given on your screen. Again, please do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be informed on the next video lesson. Thank you and God bless.